everyone, and thanks for watching today's episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Don't forget you can click on the link in the description below to order any of these products. Now, I've hunted out a lot of 3D projects for you today, and the first one is this Stork candy box, great for baby showers. Really, they're just so cute. You could use them for other things as well, but ideally I think they'd be great for baby showers. They're £4.25 for the set, and you get the Stork and you get the little box, the treat box, to make. Just adorable. Really, really, really cute. Now, I have a couple of things which I forgot to put the price down, but you know me, I don't spend a lot. It will be in the link. This is a gorgeous 3D flower, and very, very easy to make. You've just got the 4 layers, and then you would just layer it on top and put a little center embellishment there. Very, very pretty and very 3D, super easy to make. But like I said, the just click on the link in the description below for the price, and also the background stamp coming background die coming up. I didn't write the price down either. This is a really fun background die, and it's basically what it says. It's the background die. You just pop it on, then you could put some flowers and a sentiment, and it looks gorgeous, really fun, really lovely. Then I have these 8-piece leaves dies, and they're £2.13. Lots of different leaves, so you'd never be stuck for a sprig to put on your project, would you? I mean, they are really, really, really cute. But even cuter is this next thing that's coming up. Look at this 3D baby stroller die set, £3.40. You don't get the card thing, it's just for the stroller, but you get all of the bits to make it. Again, pop little treats in there, great for baby showers. How cute is this baby stroller? I just absolutely flipping love it. Oh, and look at this angel die set, £2.01. Very, very beautiful. And look how the angel stands. You just make, you'll see the dies pieces coming up. So you've got the wings, and you've got the arms, and you've got the dress bit, and you would make a few bits and make it so that it opens out. And then we have this fancy folded box card die, £4.97. But look, I've made these types of cards before, and OMG, they're okay once you've got the hang of them, but you know you've got to muck around quite a lot with your your scoreboard, and this die makes life so much easier. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful projects that you can make. Honestly, I love these dies. I mean, this next one is a 3D butterfly fold card die set, £5.63. Again, you haven't got to worry about measuring, folding, scoring, and you've got all the bits to decorate it as well, which makes it even cuter. Oh my gosh, I mean, look, this is a gift in itself, isn't it, really? Make it, decorate it all up all beautiful, and it is just super, super lovely, wonderful. And look at this 3D baby diaper card die set, £3.70. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. I love this. I will be making some of these for baby cards, definitely. They are just beautiful. Look how cute they are. And I've also got a dummy die, haven't I, that I already bought. Right, this is a pillar box die set. So, if you want to cut out some pillar boxes, these have a window, which make them even better. And they're £3.20. Do they have a window? Right, okay. You don't have the oval to make the window, but if you've got oval dies, you could make them. Right, okay, the football shirt treat box die is £1.60. So, I know we don't always have a lot for males, but these are really cute to put a little treat in. Look, just adorable, and you can colour them in all different colours and maybe match them up with your local football strip or whatever. Just lovely. Right, what's next? Okay, this is a, oh, I have made these before. This is an exploding box, pop-out box die set, £5.53. Now, I have actually made these before and they are lovely. Obviously, you take the lid off and it just pops open. And you've got all the bits for all the layers and the bit, you use those bits for layers or you just cut them out and you decorate it. And oh my gosh, just super easy. I love these exploding boxes. They are super cute. Honestly, I made one for our anniversary and it was just beautiful. Loved it. Then we have this handbag die and it's £4.52. Just super easy, look. It just gives you the you've got the handbag and then you've also got the flowers to go on it as well. So, look, it's already there to decorate all of the bits and pieces there for you. And look at these little cute heart treat box dies. They're £3.44. And honestly, this would be a great way to use your scraps up. Really would. And then we have a house card die set. This is £4.03. So, you've got baby cards here. You've got moving house. You've got little treat boxes. I have tried to put everything in my basket today. So this one is £4.03. And you've got all of the bits to decorate it up. So, yes, that's just gorgeous. Now we have this botanical lace background die, £3.47. Very pretty. Just cut it out and put it on your projects. But this one here, look at this beautiful hummingbird die. It's £2.17. And how beautiful have they coloured it in. This is just stunning. I mean, I am going to try to replicate that, but you've got, you can use this die in lots of different ways. I mean, look how it's been used just as a silhouette and then, on a floral background. Very, very beautiful. Really beautiful. And it shows you what the actual die cut is like that if you just had it as a silhouette. Now, I have already got some bow dies and I have found a couple more. This is a big bow die and it's got all of the different layers and it is £7.06. It's 18.7 by 14.4 centimetres. So that's massive, I tell you. And these are all the bits and pieces that you get with it. So it is a big die. Bow die. And then we have this other background die and it is £3.47. Very pretty, very floral and very lovely. But what's good about this is that, look at all the flowers. You can have it and get all the flowers out and use the flowers to decorate other projects as well. So nothing is wasted. Look at all the bits that you get from that die from cutting out. So use it as a background, use it for the flowers, different for the negative pieces, use different colours. Just lovely. Then I have another 3D decorative box, £6.81. It's like a little handbag, little treat box, but this is super easy. If you look at the piece there, literally you just cut that out and look, it's just really, really easy to make. You could make loads of those quite quickly. And then you've got another bow coming up, which I really like this bow. I have called this one the Gorgeous Bow. It is like a butterfly, £2.98. Don't they look like butterflies done in those different colours? They are just stunning. They would just look so pretty, even on the front of a card, a box, anything. A lot of pieces in there because you've got the 3 different sizes. So well worth £2.98 for sure. Look at that, all of those pieces that you get just for that. Oh my gosh, you wait till you see this next dies. These are called Creative Word dies, £3.19. Look at all of these words that you can cut out. Just, oh my gosh, extraordinary, captivating, astonishing, impressive, superb. And honestly, you've got this die cuts out all of these words in one go. You haven't got to do them all separately, cuts them all out. I just love this. I couldn't believe it. I was jumping up and down when I found it. And you've got the outer edge as well. Oh my gosh, can't wait to get it. Look at this swan die, £5.25, and it stands up all by itself, or you could have it on a card. Use the pieces. You are just going to love me today, aren't you? Look at this post box. It's a 3D mailbox, £10.94. Just great, especially for weddings, when you have your, what do you call them, boxes? Oh, I don't know what you have, but you have them at weddings and things, that people can put their cards in or put a little gift in or something, and you get all of these pieces. There are lots and lots of pieces in this die set, well worth the money, because it's just, it's big. And then another one for the boys, we have these 3D robot dies, and they are £3.62. The kids would have a lot of fun cutting these out and putting them together, for sure. And the last bow die is very pretty. It's got a flower on it as well, £2.23. So not only do you get the die for the bow, you also get the flower as well. I am loving this die, loving it. It is so pretty. Honestly, I love these. I love all of my AliExpress things, but sometimes you find things and you're like, really just cannot wait. Like this 3D house box. Look how big it is. Look how beautiful it is. And it is just amazing. It is a project in itself. It would keep you going. I mean, look at the pom-pom edge trim for the edge. You could decorate the windows and the doors up, and oh, it is just beautiful. £14.04. I just thought I would save this till last, because this is just a lovely, let's make a whole project between us kind of thing, just gorgeous. So and you put tea lights in it. Look, not the flame ones, by the way. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode, and I shall see you all very soon. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of these bargains. Take care for now, and see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.